Guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. Guys, in today's video we are going to be talking about how to collect international payments from your clients. Now, if you work online, if you do anything online, trust me, you need to collect payments from your clients. Okay, so that payment could be in United States dollars, in pounds, or in euros. So I'm going to show you the platform, or the best platform you can use to collect your international payments from your client, especially if you're a freelancer or if you just do anything online and you need to get paid by your clients individually. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this awesome channel. And please make sure to like this video in order to help this video reach as many people as possible. Okay, so like I said, we are going to be talking about how to collect international payments from your client. Now, the first platform I will recommend is PayPal, but this should be the last option you give to your client, especially if your client doesn't want to pay with the other ones I'm going to be showing you in this video. Okay, so PayPal has a lot of pros and cons, and trust me, if you're not careful enough, you can get your account banned. I've done a lot of transactions here on PayPal, and my PayPal, within those periods, I've had some issues with it, and trust me, though it has been coming out good, but I'm still very scared of the platform. So PayPal should be your last option if any of the method I'm going to show you in this video doesn't work for you. Okay, so PayPal is a good way, and you can easily link a bank account to your PayPal account, then withdraw your money into your other platform. Now, the second one I have for you is Payoneer. Okay, so if you create a Payoneer account, you are going to even be having more stuff. Okay, they're going to give you a USD account, give you an euros account, and give you a pounds account. Now, your clients can pay you using Payoneer, and if you look at if you scroll down below, you see that I have done some good amount of transactions here on my Payoneer account. A lot of money have come in, and a lot of money have gone out of the account as well. So I linked my PayPal account to my Payoneer as well, so I can easily withdraw money from my PayPal account into my Payoneer. Now, if you want to see that video, I've made the video showing you exactly how to link your PayPal to your Payoneer, so make sure to check the video out on my channel. We try to leave a link to it in the description box below, but if I didn't leave the link to it, just search for link PayPal to Payoneer and say King Obinnar. You're going to find the video. This is the video right here. So once you've successfully linked your PayPal to your Payoneer, then you can easily withdraw money from your PayPal account into your Payoneer. But Payoneer is also a good way for you to collect payments from your client anytime. Okay, so once you've done that, the next one which you can use is movefunds.co. As you can see, this platform allow you to collect international payment from your client, and they can pay you via USD, euros, or pounds, so anyone you want. And it's just simple. You just have to sign up for an account, and after signing up, your money is going to take just 30 minutes in order for it to arrive your bank account. So this is a very fantastic platform to use in order for you to take payments from your clients internationally. So what you need to do is, after you sign up, you need to verify your account. After verifying your account, then you can create a payment link so that your client is going to be able to pay you, and once they pay you, after 30 minutes, you are going to get paid into your local bank account. So very simple. Okay, very simple. So you can come to this platform, check them out, and sign up and start receiving international payments. Now, after everything I've mentioned, like I said, PayPal should be your last option, especially if you don't want to use the other ones I've showed you in this video. Okay, because PayPal has a lot of pros and cons. I know every platform has pros and cons, but with PayPal, your account can easily get banned or freezing and the rest of them. I've done some good amounts of money on my PayPal account, yet I'm still scared of the platform. You just have to do things minimal. Okay, so these are the various ways you can collect payment from your clients internationally: PayPal, or using Payoneer, or using move funds. Now, this is Grail, and what happened here is, instead of me withdrawing my money directly from Payoneer, which Payoneer allows us to do, you can easily withdraw your money into your local bank, but the rate at which they withdraw the money into your local bank in my country here is very poor. Okay, so they sell $1 for 400, and that is very poor, where I can easily transfer the money into this platform and sell $1 for 597 naira. So that's huge. So that's why I normally transfer the money back to this account and then convert it right here, because the difference is very clear. And look at it, $1 is for 597, why Payoneer is going to give us 400. So a lot of margins, and that's why I transfer the money right here, because right here on gray you're going to be giving US account, pounds account, and euros account as well. So you can also use it to collect payments. Okay, so I believe you enjoyed this video. This is a very simple video showing you exactly some of the platform you need in order for you to use to collect international payments. Now if you want me to go into any of them deeper, or show you how to set up an account on any of them, or you want me to talk about any other thing related to them, please tell me in the comment section and I'll consider making the video for you. Okay, so guys, I believe this video was helpful. If you have any question, I'll be in the comment section, tell me there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much.